Automating RevOps with Zapier helps you work faster, make fewer mistakes, and spend less time on boring, repetitive tasks. For example, making sure the new leads go straight into your CRM, notifications about the new deals or tasks pop up automatically in chats, and meetings or emails get scheduled without an extra click. Here are the tools that will help. How does this work in practice? Someone fills out a form on your website and the data instantly goes into CRM, you get a Slack notification. A new lead appears in CRM and automatic welcome emails get sent. Someone books a meeting in Calendly, it automatically shows up in Google Calendar. Master the basics? Awesome! Now it's time to add more logic and advanced workflow. You can automate lead segmentation and sending personalized emails, financial processes, invoicing and payment reminders, nurturing sequences to keep warming up leads, and task management, so every new deal triggers the right process. And here are the tools to add. What could this look like? A new lead comes in, added to CRM, a personalized email is sent, a task is automatically created in ClickUp, and the manager gets notified in Slack. A deal is closed, an invoice is generated in Stripe, it's automatically emailed, and Slack notifies the team. And the final, a payment is received, data updates in Airtable, and the report in Google Sheets refreshes automatically. If you are confident with Zapier, it's time to move to the level where AI, APIs, and webhooks handle everything for you. This is a full automation with a minimal human involvement. You can automate content personalization, AI writes emails and scripts automatically, generating scripts and reports without manual effort, automating document signing and invoice sending, complex API integrations and webhook processing, and data enrichment and forecasting. And here are the tools you will need. What would a complex Zap look like? A lead comes into CRM, AI generates a personalized welcome email, the email is sent automatically, a task is created in ClickUp, Looker Studio updates the report, and Slack notifies the team. Or, a deal is closed, AI generates the contract, DocuSign sends it out for a signature automatically, Stripe generates the invoice, and after payment, a personalized thank you email is sent. This is how you build a flexible, scalable system that truly helps your business grow.